Hi, and welcome back to my channel, Cyberpoint. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable and configure two-factor authentication for the FortiGate administrators for free. So FortiGate actually comes with two free FortiTokens that can be used for two-factor authentications for your users. And if you want more tokens for more users, you need to purchase from Fortinet the tokens for the number of users you want. But by default, FortiGate comes with two free tokens that can be used and configured for both your administrators and users to enable two-factor authentication for them. So we'll walk through how this is done. The first thing we want to do is to integrate FortiGate with our EDAP server. So if you head on to our EDAP server, which is this, you would see 1 minute. So in this EDAP server, which is our Active Directory, we have under users, we have a lot of groups and some users specifically. So we have a group that we've created for our FortiGate admins, and in that group we have just one member, which you can even add more. So we use this group to enforce two-factor authentication for our administrators and all that. So let's integrate our EDAP server to the FortiGate device. So head on to user and authentication on FortiGate and EDAP server, then create new. So name it so the IP address then the distribution name will be your domain. DC plus hub. Then the regular bind, we need a service managed service account that has admin rights to be able to give us a level of rights to pull informations and data from the EDAP server. So we use the one we have here. So let's test connectivity, success. Let's test credentials. Okay, so success. So okay, then okay. So now EDAP server has been integrated. The next thing we want to do is to create user group. From the EDAP server, we pull our users, call it FortiGate admin, then add the server, then look for the group, add selected. Okay, so what I did here is to right click on this group and add selected, then okay, then click OK. Now we have our group integrated. The next thing is to create an admin profile. The admin profile is a profile that gives users or admins rights, a level of right to the device, access right or privileges. So when it comes to systems profiles, we want to create FortiGate admin. So here we can define the level of permissions and access privilege that they should have. So if you want them to have read and write access, which most should have, most especially the administrators, you can enable all this, but you can also define the level of right they should have based on the profile. So we leave this as this, then go to administrator and let's create new administrators. So under systems, go to administrators and create new as select administrator. Then under administrator, type, that's that's the name of the users. If you check the the EDAP server, so if you come to the EDAP server, in this group we only have one member, which is Bowale. So you need to type the name of the user here when you match a user on a remote server group. So type the name of the user, then select the administrator profile, which is FortiGate admin. Then the FortiGate user group is admin that we created the other time. We selected one of the FortiTokens here, and we were sent, and also the email. So let's check our email. So now we have a code sent to us. Okay, the first thing is that you need to download the FortiToken from Play Store and set it up and scan the barcode. Then let's log out and sign in with that. So if you look at it, let's sign in with Bowale. Then the domain password for this user will be inserted here. Now we have a token. So from your phone, a token should be inserted from the FortiToken that was set up. So I have a token to insert here, which is 86. Now Vala. Later, don't show this again. Now we have Bowale as the user. Yeah. If you come to systems, administrator profile, administrators, you'll see Bowale is the current user of this group. So try and leverage on the 2 free tokens that you have and enforce 2-factor authentication for your administrators.